Don't try everything yourself. If you are trying to do everything yourself, growth won't be there. With your own hands, you are going to destroy, you are going to distract your career, you are going to destroy your growth. So, which activity will provide highest results? What is your zone of genius? There only you require to concentrate. The rest of the things, delegate to the rest of the people. Identify, right, who that person is the responsible to do that activity. In one interview, Adani, interview person asked the Adani, "Yo, Adani, you have these many businesses are there. How you are managing? You are feeling overloaded, you are feeling stressed, you are feeling frustrated, you are feeling burnout like the interview person asked. Then just a smile. He used only one word. Why I am doing all these activities? For every company, I will identify the best CEO, the right CEO. I will delegate. I will hand over that company to that person. He is the responsible to do all the things related to that company. Why I'm going to involve? Why I'm going to involve in each and every activity? Okay, like so maybe weekly or maybe monthly. Anywhere review is required, then only my presence will be there. I never going to worry about small, low level activities. Those activities, that right who is the responsible. I recruited a right who, that person is going to take care. Why I have to do that activity on my own? That's why he build already multiple companies. Next he is going to build very soon a number of companies. This mindset must be required, dosto. Where you are strong, which activity will provide highest result? There only you require to spend that time. Don't be like all-rounder. Don't be like all-rounder. Okay? Be like a specialist. Don't be like a generalist. Okay? The rest of the thing are here. Those things why you have to do, man. You are expert in coding, but you are poor in cooking. No problem. Don't try to learn cooking. Better to arrange best cook. You are expert in programming, but I'm not expert in washing the vessels or sweeping the room. Why that knowledge? That thing is not required. You are expert in programming. You have to spend the time in programming area. Then who is going to sweep? Who is going to wash? Who is going to wash the vessels or cloths like arrange one assistant. That person is going to take care. It's moreover, that person is a very specialist in that area. He can do most beautiful way than you. I hope it's clear for you people. That's why for everything you require to ask only one question. For every activity, if you require something, you require to ask only one thing. Who can help me to do this activity? Or who can do this for me? Your concentration is always on who, right? Who. Never going to think about how can I do this? How can I learn this? How such type of word is the dangerous word. Who is a problem solver? How is a problem creator? Okay, remember.